And it really comes down to whether the children are going to be vaccinated or not, and a really tough decision when you talk about kids who are 5 and younger, because as you know, or may know, they're not old enough yet to be vaccinated. The feds haven't given the approval to that. So no wonder one of the top pediatricians here is saying it's really coming, into his words, a nightmare for parents who have to make a really tough decision. Here's what's going on. The Children's Hospital of Orange County, now with its highest number ever of children infected with the Omicron variant.
This is really sad. It's really scary as a pediatrician, especially when there's a disease that if people got vaccinated appropriately, I think we can be done with this soon.
Dr. Eric Ball has been a pediatrician for some 20 years and says he has never seen anything like this.
A lot of the kids we have in the ICU not only are having breathing trouble, but also inflammation, heart issues. We're seeing a lot of kids with this thing called MIS-C, which is a total body inflammation. It affects all the body organs, and it's the leading cause of children dying of COVID.
The admission numbers out now from the Children's Hospital in Orange County show 30 to 50 children hospitalized here at any one time with symptoms suffering from COVID-19, while 9 children currently being treated in the ICU, intensive care.
Most of the kids who end up in the ICU or the hospital, these are kids who are too young to be vaccinated, so they're not being able to get the advantages of the protection that the rest of us get.
Do you want me to count down?
For now, children up to 5 years old are still too young to be vaccinated.
It's a hard decision. Do you get your kids vaccinated or not?
Ashley's a mom with 3 daughters, ages 4, 6, and 8, and the decision to vax or not is one of the hardest she'll ever have to make.
They are not vaccinated yet.
You're just not certain?
Yes, yes.
And that's a heavy decision, huh?
It is. It is a big decision for our family, and we're discussing it with our family.
For now, pediatricians with this advice to parents who have kids too young to be vaxxed.
First is to vaccinate all the people around them, right? So they spend most of their time at home. So making sure that the parents, the grandparents, the siblings, they're all vaccinated.
And then this advice for all the older children who are going to school.
We know that older preschool kids, certainly all school-age kids, can wear masks very easily, and it has been shown to be quite protective.
Now live, quite protective in the classroom, the good doctor says. Now as we come back here live, when you talk about the kids who are 5 and younger, and that's the big concern here. Interesting that Dr. Fauci is out tonight saying that the feds, the FDA, very close to giving its approval to the COVID Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 and younger. Now the approval, Dr. Fauci says, could come within the next month. That's good news for some, but still it really comes down to the parents and that tough decision they have to make, whether they have their kids, especially the really young kids, vaxxed or not. For now, we're live here, City of Orange. Back to both of you.